Looking for the best 5 plasma cutting machine that delivers both power and precision? You're in the right spot. Today, we're breaking down 3 top-rated, USA-ready plasma cutters that pack non-touch pilot arc tech, dual voltage flexibility, and digital displays, all designed to slice through rusty metal like butter. Whether you're a pro fabricator or a weekend DIY warrior, we've vetted these Amazon favorites to save you time, money, and hassle. Stick around. These machines are about to light up your workshop. Product 1. ANDELI CUT-50DS 50 amp HF non-touch pilot arc. This compact dual-voltage plasma cutter boasts a 4.05-inch LED display showing PSI, voltage, and current, great for real-time accuracy, and comes with a built-in air regulator for clean, dry cuts. Cutting capacity: 1/2 inch steel at 110 V, 5/8 at 220 V. Pros: pilot arc cuts rusty or painted metal without direct tip contact. Dual voltage with tool-free switching and included adapter. 2-year warranty and free replacement parts. Cons: air source still needed, built-in regulator helps, but compressor required. May require some learning curve on pressure adjustment. Customer review quote: preview videos and user feedback praise its solid build quality, clean cuts, and user-friendly operation. Product 2. SILATU STC750P, up to 75 amp pilot arc. Cranking the power up, this plasma cutter features non-touch high-frequency pilot arc, adjustable PA time to reduce electrode wear, and a large digital screen that displays air pressure, voltage, current, and error codes. Powerful cutting, up to 14 millimeters, is almost equal to 5/8 inch, at 110 V, 25 millimeters, is almost equal to 1, at 220 V, with 60% duty cycle. Pros: high amp power tackles thicker materials with ease. Adjustable pilot arc keeps consumables lasting longer. Clear diagnostics via screen for fast troubleshooting. Cons: requires a 250 liters per minute airflow, may need a heavy-duty compressor. Slightly steeper price point for the added power. Customer review quote: reviewer emphasizes reduced consumable wear and improved efficiency thanks to its adjustable pilot arc feature. Product 3. ARCTAYLOR CUT75P 75 amp pilot arc and air sensor tech. This machine brings professional features: non-touch pilot arc, air sensor display, large LED panel, plus 2T/4T modes and adjustable post-flow cooling. Cutting capacity: 3/8, 10 millimeters, at 110 V, 9/16, 14 millimeters, at 220 V, max of 25 millimeters. GP steel. Pros: intuitive air pressure feedback and quick connect fittings. Dual voltage with IGBT inverter ensures stable performance. 2T/4T modes reduce operator fatigue, and safety protections boost confidence. Cons: manual lacks detailed parts listing or manufacturer contact. May require patience. Some users noted the machine draws high airflow and may trip low-amp circuits. Customer review quote: one user said, easy to set up and use, but noted missing manual/parts info. Another added, comes with everything you need, but warned about high air requirements. That wraps up our spotlight on the best 5 plasma cutting machine picks for 2025. Each of these cutting beasts brings incredible value to your workshop. Whether you're slicing rusty steel with the ANDELI CUT-50DS, powering through thick stock with the SILATU STC750P, or dialing in precision with the ARCTAYLOR CUT75P. Found one that fits your needs? Hit those affiliate links in the description to check prices, specs, and prime eligibility right now. And hey, if this helped you zero in on your next go-to cutter, please like, subscribe, and share, so you never miss the latest gear reviews and workshop hacks. Stay sharp, welders, and keep making sparks fly.